Welcome back to my channel. I'll guide you through the process of installing Office 2024 for free using official Microsoft tools, no cracks or unauthorized methods involved. Let's get started. First, create a dedicated folder on your desktop for the installation files and name it Office 2024 to keep everything organized. Next, open your browser and search for the Office deployment tool. Click on the first link to visit the official Microsoft page and download the tool to your default downloads folder. Once the download is complete, install it into the Office 2024 folder you just created on your desktop. Now, open a new browser tab and search for the Office customization tool. On the site, select the architecture for your installation, either 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on your system. Then, choose the type of Office suite you want to install, such as Office 365 or Office 2024. Next, select the latest release or a specific version. Here, you can customize your installation by selecting which Office apps you want to include or exclude. Just toggle the buttons accordingly. After that, choose your preferred language for Office from the list of supported languages, making sure it matches your requirements. Once you've completed all customizations, click the Export button on the right side of the tool. This will generate a configuration file in XML format, containing all the settings you've just configured. Go to your Downloads folder, find the configuration.xml file, and move it to the Office 2024 folder on your desktop. Keeping all necessary files in one place will make the installation process smoother. Next, move the Office 2024 folder to your C drive. This step is important because the setup will be run from this location. Now, open Command Prompt with administrative privileges. In the Windows search bar, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. This ensures you have the proper permissions to execute the installation command. Once Command Prompt is open, type CD, which stands for Change Directory, followed by a space. Don't press Enter yet. Instead, go to the Office 2024 folder, click on the address bar in File Explorer, and copy the full folder path. Return to Command Prompt, paste the folder path after CD, and press Enter to navigate to that directory. Now, start the installation by typing setup configure configuration.xml and press Enter. This command tells the Office deployment tool to install Office using the configuration file you created. The installation process will begin and may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and the apps you've selected. Once the installation is complete, verify everything by opening Microsoft Word or any other Office app you installed. If the app launches without issues, congratulations, you've successfully installed Office 2024. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.